Hi boys and girls. Today we're going to read Dinosaurs Love Underpants. This book was also written by Claire Friedman and Ben Court. Dinos Love Underpants. Dinosaurs were all wiped out a long way back in history. No one knows quite how or why. Now this book solves the mystery. It all began when cavemen felt embarrassed in the nude, so someone dreamed up underpants to stop them from looking crude. The dinosaurs roamed everywhere, all teeth and huge long necks, but scariest and meanest was Tyrannosaurus Rex. When T-Rex saw men's undies, he roared with deafening rants. I don't want to eat you up. I want your underpants. T-Rex stole a furry pair, but his briefs quickly ripped. He couldn't get them past his feet. Oh, whoops, watch out, he tripped. Tyrannosaurus was happy, wearing undies on every horn, till Stratosaurus snatched them, and they ended up all torn. The pants from woolly mammoth coats made Stegosaurus itchy. Diplodocus was really mad. His briefs were way too pinchy. We're running low on underpants, the cavemen quacked in shock. These dinos are undies crazy. They're completely run amok. Soon undies were flying everywhere, all torn by tooth and claw. The dinosaurs were fighting in a great briefs tug of war. The mighty underpants war raged all night. Thump, pow, bash, thwack, clout. The fighting got so crazy, all the dinosaurs were wiped out. The next day out the cavemen crept and cheered at what they saw. Hooray, our biggest enemy is now at last no more. So when you put your undies on, always treat them with great care. Don't forget briefs saved mankind. They're not just underwear. And if you look really closely, down here is a dinosaur and a caveman. And in the boy's bed, way over here, what do you see? It's an alien. There's that fun page again. Which pair would you pick? That's the end. I hope you enjoyed Dinosaurs Love Underpants.